This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install OBS Studio and update GPU drivers so encoding is stable. Connect your camera, microphone, or capture card and confirm device names in system settings. Log into your streaming platform and copy the stream key. Once done, paste it into OBS settings stream. Make sure sample rates and audio devices match, otherwise audio will drift. This gets you past the gate, so you can focus on scenes and encoding next. You now assemble scenes and sources. Add game capture, window capture, display capture, and a video capture device for your webcam. Arrange layers and set transforms. Once done, open Settings Output and choose an encoder. Use NVENC if you have a dedicated GPU, otherwise X264. Pick a bitrate that leaves headroom from your upload speed. Then configure audio. Route desktop audio and mic through the mixer. Add filters like noise suppression and compression, and set monitoring so you can hear what viewers will hear. You finish by testing. Start a private or unlisted stream or record locally to confirm sync and quality. Monitor CPU, GPU, dropped frames, and network bitrate. If you see issues, reduce canvas scale, lower bitrate, or change the encoder preset for performance. Once stable, set up stream overlays, alerts, and hotkeys. If problems persist, switch ingest server, test Ethernet versus Wi-Fi, and simplify scenes. That single troubleshooting tip, lower complexity or use hardware encoding, resolves most playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.